some cherries to eat.
Daddy, maybe we should make a video and send it to Julie.
No.
You want to say hello? Whoa. Want to say hi to Julie?
Hello, Julie. We bought a pool.
You guys get closer together so I can zoom in. Okay. And tell Julie happy birthday. We'll send it to her birthday, okay?
Happy birthday.
Come on, you have to do better than that.
Happy birthday, Julie.
That's all the best you can do, huh? Come on. Let's get excited. Sound happy.
Happy birthday, Julie. Happy birthday, Julie.
Now together.
Happy birthday, Julie.
Okay, now look into the camera and say it.
Happy birthday, Julie.
Okay. Now what? Just gonna sit there and shiver, huh? Huh?
I don't know what to say.
Julie, we bought a pool last night at Walmart for $10.
Sarah, you want to say something?
I'm shy. Daddy, I'm almost cried. I don't know what else to say.
We'll just play then.
Oh, I know what. I know what to do.
You want to say hello, Mama?
No.
Maybe we can send it to Mama. Want to send it to Mama?